Hello friends. We will make puff pastry together today. You agree with me? This is delicious. Puff pastry can be used to make many delicious baked goods. There are a few ideas in my next video. You can watch the video at the link in the description. Puff pastry has two main ingredients, fat and flour. The proportion of fat, flour should be at least 1:3 and not more than 1:2. If the fat is 1 part, then the flour must be taken for the recipe 3 parts. The puff pastry will not be very fat, or 2 parts, such a dough is prepared for Viennese pastries. Other ingredients, milk, sugar, flavoring, yeast, can be used as desired.
Puff pastry requires cold. The butter or fat should not be warm in the dough or the original flavor will be lost. Roll out the dough several times.
I usually do this 3 times. The more rolls, the more layers in the baked goods. It is necessary to cool the dough after each rolling. Puff pastry can be prepared in advance and stored in the refrigerator. To freeze, roll out the sheets, cover with plastic wrap and store in the freezer. Before baking delicious buns from such a dough, it must be defrosted at room temperature or 4 hours in the refrigerator. Microwave not suitable. Always roll out puff pastry sheets on a lightly floured surface to prevent sticking. If the dough becomes sticky during use, return it to the freezer for a few minutes. Use eggs to make the puff pastry golden and shiny, or to glue pieces of puff pastry together. Lightly beat 1 egg with 2 teaspoons of water. Bake the puff pastry on parchment trays. Delicious experiences, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.